Hi Keystone Nation, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for Keystone Raptor and Carbon. Today I want to talk about the front of the Raptor. We take an extreme amount of pride in the quality of our fiberglass front caps. We do everything in-house. Our front caps are painted to an automotive standard and feature chip-resistant KeyShield technology. KeyShield has 6 layers of automotive paint which is resistant to chipping, fading, and peeling, covered under the industry-leading 3-year warranty. We have a dedicated plant in Wakarusa, Indiana that handles all of our painted caps and full-body painted units. The Raptor's front cap completely wraps around, giving it more durability. Now, let's check out the hitch. Our expert team of engineers is always hard at work to improve our products. Hitch Vision, a Keystone exclusive engineered by Keystone, allows the driver to use the rear view mirror to see where the hitch is relative to the pin box without having to turn around in the seat, and it increases the ease and comfort of hitching up to the fifth wheel trailer. The LED puck lights that shine down on the bed and the back of the cab enables the customer to have visualization as well as illumination, making this a one-person job, which cuts down on the time and stress of setting up when you arrive at the campsite, giving you more time to enjoy camping. The flexible hitch reduces the negative energy while towing with less stress on your unit. This is easy for the first-time camper to learn and is something you won't find in other brands. Thank you for taking the time to check out all of the great features found in the front of every Raptor. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like more great content, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button so that we can help you camp better.